We up in the Philippines, any questions all you do is ask. You can get it right from Sass in the Philippines.
Good morning guys. Today I'm cooking pork sisig. Our ingredients are, I have mayonnaise, red onions, jalapeno peppers, green onions, soy sauce, butter, I have lemon, and liquid seasoning, and of course we have pork belly. I'm going to cook in a grill. Let's go cooking guys. Alright guys, here's our pork belly now. It's almost done. Probably 1 more minute for the other side. There we go. Two minutes, it's done. Alright guys, here's our pork belly now. Came out from outside at the grill. Now it is time to chop. We have to chop it in small pieces like this. Still hot, but I can manage. Alright, now we're gonna mix all the ingredients. Soy sauce, onions, green onions, mayonnaise, and the liquid seasoning. And then lemon juice, a splash. There we go, that's good. Here we go guys, that's how it looks. And then now we're gonna put in a sizzling plate. Alright guys, our sizzling plate is hot now. Now we can add the butter. Then put the rest of the onions. Some of the jalapeno peppers. And now we can add the sisig mixture. We're gonna put 1 egg in the middle and put pepper, ground black pepper, We can add jalapeno peppers. Alright guys, here's the finished product. Hope you like it. Till next time.
Just act sass in the Philippines.